Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to show you how I created an early fall centerpiece for my dining room table. So stay tuned. Today I am going to be deconstructing this centerpiece of greenery that I have decorated for the summer. I showed in a previous video how I repurpose a Christmas evergreen swag for different seasons, and I'll link that video in an iCard and in the description box down below, so you can see how I took a greenery wreath for Christmas and turned it into a spring decor piece. So today I'm going to take out the items I did for my summer decorations, which are just a few little inexpensive picks I think I got for $1 at Michael's, and some leftover greenery. And I'm going to take all of that apart, and then I'll show you how I'm going to decorate it for the fall. And I will show you some of that deconstruction sped up so that you can see how I took everything out. Okay, so now we're back to my base garland, and I pretty much leave this bow and these ribbon pieces on for every season because they're fairly neutral colors. There's some burlap ribbon. This is from Costco. These are all actually from Costco. This shiny, not shiny, glittery sheer gold ribbon, and then this sort of damask gold ribbon also. And I felt those were good colors to be neutral all season long. And what I'll do is, it's got a little smushed, but I'll go through and I'll fluff this up when I'm done. Here are the pieces I'm going to be using in this swag. I have these yellow sunflowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. These I showed in a haul, which I'll link for you so you can see it, but these were really pretty. They have a double layer of petals. There were some that only had a single layer, but all of these have this double layer, so they look really realistic. I'm going to use those. Then I have two of these picks with these red pumpkins on them. Here, and some red and cream colored berries. And then I have these red ginkgo leaves. And the reason I'm using red in this is I'm going to put this in the center of my dining room table, and I'm going to be having a red, yellow / gold and black and white color scheme in that room. And then I have a white rose. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. I may put it in the very center here. Then again, maybe not. We'll just see how everything comes together as I move along. But the first thing I'm going to start with are these ginkgo leaves, and I'm actually going to cut the stems into separate pieces. There's 6 separate stems on each of these pieces from the Dollar Tree, and the reason I'm doing that is that way I can poke them in to various places a little more easily. They won't be all together like this. And then I will put those in, and I will arrange my picks. Those I usually stick close to the bow. And then I will fill in with some of the sunflowers and maybe some more of the ginkgo leaves once I'm done. And I may even use a few pieces that I took out from the summer decoration. I'll just see if I need more as we go along. here is the finished centerpiece. As you can see, I added a few more bits of ribbon because I want it to tie in with some other items that I'm making for my dining room. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing because I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including DIY craft type projects like this one. So I hope you'll join in with our community. And I'd like to thank everyone for tuning in today and let you know I look forward to seeing you all next time. Take care.